Discover a collection of innovative, time-saving woodworking tools designed to boost accuracy, efficiency, and creativity in your shop. From precision measuring systems to powerful cutting and shaping solutions, these smart tools help woodworkers work faster and achieve cleaner, more professional results. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, these picks will upgrade your workflow instantly. Woodpeckers Gauge Blocks. Woodpeckers Gauge Blocks are precision machine setup tools designed to deliver fast, accurate machine adjustments in the shop. Made from anodized aluminum or stainless steel, they offer exceptional dimensional accuracy, clear laser engraved markings, and long-term durability. Available in fixed, adjustable, and angle versions, they cover fractional, metric, and common angle needs. Their solid physical reference eliminates guesswork from machine scales, making setups more reliable. Many sets include protective cases or wall-mountable storage for easy organization. GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Jig Guide. The GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig is a precision table saw accessory designed for safely producing consistent narrow wood strips. Its one-way roller bearing prevents backward movement and reduces kickback risk, while the CNC machined anodized aluminum body ensures durability and stability. The jig locks into the mitre slot, offering laser engraved inch and metric scales for accurate setup. Compatible with multiple T-slot sizes, it provides an extended cutting range ideal for fine woodworking tasks like inlays, trim pieces, and kumiko work. Wolfcraft 6197000 Jigsaw Table. The Wolfcraft 6197000 Jigsaw Table transforms a handheld jigsaw into a compact stationary cutting tool for greater accuracy and control. Its galvanized steel worktop, secure clamp mounting, and clear line of sight make guiding curves and straight cuts easier. The bottom-up cutting action reduces splintering, while the included parallel stop helps achieve clean, precise results. Compatible with most jigsaws using blades up to 100 mm, it offers reliable performance in a portable, space-saving design. Hedgehog Push Block. The Hedgehog Push Block is a precision safety tool designed to give woodworkers superior control when guiding material past blades and bits. Its offset handle keeps hands farther from danger, while the ergonomic shape provides downward, forward, and lateral pressure for stable, accurate cuts. With a slim 3/8 inch body for safe narrow rips, non-slip neoprene grip, and a secure rear heel, it ensures confident feeding. Built from durable, non-conductive glass fiber nylon, it works seamlessly on table saws, router tables, and jointers. Ework Bench Dog Clamps. Ework Bench Dog Clamps deliver fast, secure work holding for woodworking tasks, offering strong clamping force and broad compatibility with 3/4 inch and 20 mm dog hole benches. Their quick clamp and release mechanism speeds up workflow, while the adjustable pressure bar adapts to different board thicknesses. Built from high-strength nylon and 45-pound steel, they provide durability and stability. A rubber-padded block protects workpieces from damage, and the low-profile design keeps the clamps out of the way during planing, sanding, or detailed work. Virutex Cutting Machine Z270S. The Virutex RZ270S is a professional-grade cutting machine engineered for precise, in-place trimming of doors, frames, and baseboards during flooring installation. Its powerful 1,300 watt motor and 5,000 RPM speed deliver clean, splinter-free cuts, even into corners. Adjustable cutting height and depth ensure compatibility with various flooring types, while its 47mm maximum depth handles most doors in one pass. With effective dust extraction, double insulation, and a durable carbide blade included, it's built for accuracy and reliability. Woodraphic Professional Dual Function. The Woodraphic Professional Dual Function tool is a premium 5-in-1 measuring and marking gauge built for accurate, efficient woodworking. It handles internal and external measurements, angle checking at 45 degrees and 90 degrees, mortise layout, and precise scribing with laser-etched high-contrast scales. Crafted from CNC machined anodized aluminum, it's lightweight yet extremely durable. Its removable depth gauge and pencil-compatible T-bar add versatility, while JIS certified accuracy ensures reliable performance across various project sizes. Blockcision setup blocks. Blockcision setup blocks are precision machined aluminum gauges designed to make woodworking machine setup faster, easier, and incredibly accurate. Each block is machined to within plus or minus 0.001 inch, offering dependable precision for table saws, router tables, and other tools. The lightweight, corrosion-resistant alloy won't damage blades, while laser-engraved markings ensure long-term readability. With up to 16 stackable sizes, including 1/16 inch to 1 inch increments, these blocks provide endless measurement combinations. A protective case and occasional bonus accessories add extra convenience. Wolfcraft 3 D-Mitre Angle. The Wolfcraft 3D Mitre Angle, models 5, 208, 000/6967000, is a versatile tool for precise marking on three-dimensional workpieces like beams, pipes, and timber. It features built-in 45-degree and 90-degree stops, a free angle scale, 0 degree to 90 degree, and a marking gauge for parallel lines. A built-in drill gauge measures bit diameters quickly. Made from durable, lightweight plastic with clear millimeter and angle scales, it ensures accuracy and ease of use. Crafted in Europe for high-quality standards, it's ideal for woodworking and beyond. Dremel, Shaper Router, Table 231, the Dremel 231. Shaper Router Table transforms a handheld Dremel rotary tool into a compact bench-mounted precision shaper, perfect for detailed woodworking tasks like slotting, edging, and grooving. It features an 8-inch by 6-inch work surface, a 3-way adjustable fence, and depth adjustment for precise cuts. Easy to mount on any tabletop, it includes a transparent bit guard for safety and is compatible with most Dremel rotary tools. Ideal for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts tackling small, intricate projects. Woodpeckers Rabbet Gauges. Woodpeckers Rabbet Gauges are precision machined aluminum blocks designed for fast, accurate rabbet joint setup. Each set includes 3 gauges covering 12 common sizes from 1/16 inch to 3/4 inch, with exact steps for scribing and setting cutter heights. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum and anodized in red, they ensure stiffness, stability, and corrosion resistance. Their fixed references eliminate measurement errors, offering repeatable accuracy for cabinetry and boxes. Simple to use and made in the USA, they streamline layout and machine setups efficiently. Kreg Inline Clamp. The Kreg Inline Clamp is a low-profile, versatile clamping solution that applies pressure from the side, keeping work surfaces clear during sanding, finishing or assembly. It delivers up to 250 pounds of clamping force and fits standard 3/4 inch or 20mm bench dog holes. The 360-degree swivel and unique V-notch shoe securely hold various shapes, including corners, while the contoured adjustment dial and 4 3/4 inch range allow precise pressure control. Durable, lightweight construction ensures easy handling and long-lasting use. Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge. The Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge is a versatile tool for accurately measuring and transferring angles to a mitre saw, simplifying tasks like flooring and baseboard installation. It measures internal and external angles from 30 degrees to 180 degrees and features an automatic angle bisector for perfect joints. Integrated magnets allow secure attachment to steel mitre saw blades, while a built-in marking gauge enables precise line drawing. Lightweight, durable, and easy to use one-handed, it's ideal for carpentry, furniture, and general woodworking projects. Rockler Precision Mitre Gauge. The Rockler Precision Mitre Gauge is a high-accuracy workshop tool designed for flawless straight and mitered crosscuts on table saws, band saws, and router tables. It features precision machined positive stops at common angles, a full range 0 to 70 degree scale, and a rigid 18-inch adjustable steel mitre bar to eliminate side-to-side play. Built with durable aluminum and steel, it offers ergonomic handles, an easy-to-read scale, and accessory mounting options, ensuring repeatable, precise cuts and long-lasting performance in any woodworking setup. Milescraft 4016 BenchLock. The Milescraft 4016 BenchLock transforms any workbench with dog holes into a versatile clamping station. Its 360-degree rotating base allows clamping from any angle, while tool-free installation with a large tightening knob ensures quick adjustments. The kit includes a pocket hole alignment accessory and integrated board width measurements for precise, repeatable setups. A V-groove base adapts to various shapes, and its durable ABS and steel construction makes it perfect for assembling boxes, shelves, frames, and general woodworking projects. The Mini Hedgehog Hold-Down Featherboard. The Mini Hedgehog Hold-Down Featherboard is a compact high-visibility safety accessory for table saws and router tables. Its vertical hold-down function securely presses workpieces against the table, reducing kickback and ensuring smooth, accurate cuts. The patented spiral design with a single knob allows fast, one-handed adjustment for varying board thicknesses. Made from durable DuPont nylon, it fits standard 1/2 inch T-slots or routed grooves. Ideal for small workpieces, is often sold in convenient 2-packs. Woodraphic Dovetail Guide. The Woodraphic Professional Dovetail Guide is a precision tool for creating accurate, hand-cut dovetail joints. Made from high-grade CNC machined aluminum, it features UHMWPE face inserts to protect your workpiece and saw, and a silicone skin grip for secure handling. Magnetic guidance ensures stable, straight cuts, while dual angle ratios, 1:6 for softwoods, 1:8 for hardwoods, provide versatile marking options. Compact, durable, and compatible with all hand saws, it delivers consistent professional results in every woodworking project. Microjig GRR-RIPPER 2 GO. The Microjig GRR-RIPPER 2GO is a ready-to-use 3D push block that enhances safety and control on table saws, router tables, bandsaws, and jointers. Its 3-directional force technology applies downward, inward, and forward pressure to stabilize stock, prevent kickback, and feed material evenly. The green grip non-slip base ensures traction on all surfaces. Fully assembled with a color-coded index system, it allows precise cuts on small or thin stock. Durable, versatile, and compatible with custom accessories, it's perfect for quick, safe ripping tasks. Virutex CO15L Laminate Cutter. The Virutex CO15L Laminate Cutter is a lightweight handheld tool engineered for precise, splinter-free cutting of laminates, melamine, and wood veneers. Its adjustable guide allows cutting widths from 12mm to 110mm and material thicknesses up to 2mm. Featuring durable aluminum construction, a metal-reinforced guide, and exchangeable cutting wheels, it ensures long-lasting performance. Designed for speed and ease of use, this portable cutter enhances workshop productivity while delivering clean, accurate cuts with minimal waste, making it ideal for edge banding and other detailed woodworking tasks.